You got a stainless steel shelf. It just needs 1 millimeter. Well, that's a 1/32 inch grout line. Okay, so I am in Italy right now, and my niece's shower here does not have a niche, does not have a shelf of any kind, and all her stuff is on the floor. She's got nowhere to put it. So she asked me if I could put a shelf in her shower, and normally that would be a difficult ask. But there are solutions, and one of the solutions that are actually pretty easy is one of these shelves from Guru. It's just a stainless steel shelf. And the nickel. So what you got here, you got a stainless steel shelf. It's got a return here, but what that enables it to do, this is only 1 millimeter thick. So you just need a very, very narrow opening to be able to stick that in. So what you need to do is find a grout line where you want to put it. They want it over here, and then scrape out the grout as deep as you can, and then you just stick that in there like that, and then you put silicone in, and that'll stay there. So I have to dig out this grout line here. I put a little marker for how far I have to go, and this grout line here, and the corner doesn't matter because it does not go into the corner. So let me see if I can scrape this grout out of here and get this shelf in there. So the only thing I got here is a utility knife to scrape out grout. Let's see if this works. If this doesn't work, like I said, I'm in Italy here. I don't have any of my tools. The only things that I have here are like simple tools that anyone can have. And in this case, the utility knife I'm hoping will be enough. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to Mickey Mouse some kind of wheel to be able to cut out the grout deep enough. Hopefully, this will be enough. So let me see if I can cut this grout out. Let me get this side. Let's see how we did. Just hold on there. Let's see if we can get it in. Let's see if it fits. I have to dig some more. Look at that. So that's all I needed to do. Let me just take a quick look. That's pretty much it. I just got to get over here a little more. Is that touching there? A little bit deeper in these corners here. A little deeper here. That's pretty good, but I need a little bit more over here. Okay, so I dug it out a little bit more to get it to fit. It fits pretty good now, and it's pretty tight. So the only thing left is silicone. So I'm going to clean that out. I want to make sure it's dry. Have silicone. This is 100% silicone. See, everything's in Italian. I have, this is just a bottle we emptied. It had some vinegar water in here. I just emptied it out. I put some water in here and a few drops of dishwashing soap. And then my other brother had one of these profile tools. So to put this in, I'm going to put a bead of, we got clear because we couldn't find the right color silicone for this, so we got clear. So to put this in, I'm going to stick a bead of silicone in here. Bead of silicone in here, fill it up, push my shelf in, and then I'm going to put another bead of silicone on top. Okay, here we go. Push this in. That's in. I gotta get some paper towels. So, I'm gonna put a bead of silicone on here. Bead of silicone underneath. Spray it. Clean that off. Clean that off. Okay, so that's done. We're all set here. It's all siliconed in. We're going to let this dry. You can use this just a little bit. Oh. That's good. And I think we're all set. That's it. With nothing but a utility knife and a little silicone and a profiling tool. If you don't have a profiling tool, a popsicle stick will work just as well. So just a spray bottle, any spray bottle, water and a few drops of dishwashing soap, a profiling tool. There are many different kinds. 100% silicone and some paper towels. Easy as pie. Simple. And now just wait for this to dry a few hours and she has a shelf. Okay, so really easy. Guru makes a nice shelf. It just needs 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is more or less a 1/32 of an inch grout line. So this is really nice because it'll fit pretty much any grout line. So Guru has a nice little shelf here to retrofit a shower. Obviously, you can use them when you're building the shower and you don't have to scrape out any grout. But this works really nice. So good job, Guru. Don't forget to like my videos, subscribe, and share it if you can. Leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget, you gotta subscribe.